The Citroën 2CV, an emblem of automotive history, is making a remarkable return in 2026. This revival pays homage to the original model's minimalist design while integrating modern advancements. Exterior design. The 2026 2CV retains the classic silhouette that made its predecessor iconic. The familiar rounded roofline and pronounced wheel arches evoke a sense of nostalgia. Modern touches include LED headlights and a refreshed front grille, seamlessly blending tradition with contemporary aesthetics. Interior features. Inside, the cabin emphasizes simplicity and functionality, mirroring the original 2CV's ethos. The dashboard features a clean layout with essential controls, complemented by a digital display for vital information. Comfortable seating and ample headroom ensure a pleasant driving experience, staying true to the 2CV's practical roots. Performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the new 2CV embraces electric propulsion, aligning with current environmental standards. A compact battery pack offers an estimated range suitable for urban commutes, reflecting the car's city-friendly design. This shift to electric power maintains the vehicle's lightweight nature, enhancing efficiency and maneuverability. Affordability and accessibility. Affordability remains central to the 2CV's appeal. Citroën aims to offer this model at a competitive price point, making it accessible to a broad audience. This approach continues the legacy of the original 2CV, which was designed as an economical solution for the masses. Conclusion. In essence, the 2026 Citroën 2CV is a harmonious blend of classic design and modern technology. It captures the spirit of its predecessor while adapting to contemporary needs, offering a nostalgic yet forward-thinking driving experience. For a visual overview of the 2026 Citroën 2CV, you may find related videos informative.